What's up everyone? Today we're going to start looking at circles and we'll start from the basics, which is the circumference and the area of a circle. By the end of this video you should be able to work out the perimeter and the area. Nothing more. So let's look at the first example. How do we work out the circumference of this circle? The first thing we need to do is understand what the circumference is. It's just the perimeter, that's all. And the circumference is equal to 2 times the radius times pi, where pi is equal to 3.14159653592526 ... or 3.14 if you can't be bothered to remember that. But here we don't have a radius, we have a diameter. The circumference is also just pi times the diameter. Here we're told that the diameter is 3 centimeters. So this is just going to be 3.14 times 3, which is simply going to be equal to, if you use your calculator, you can use the pi symbol, 9.42. What about if it's a radius? Well, I've already discussed that the circumference is just going to be 2 pi times radius, which is 2 times 3.14 times 8, which is equal to 50.3 centimeters. Okay? Oh, sorry, I didn't put my units there. Make sure you remember, you don't ever forget your units, guys. What about if we're asked to do it in reverse? So for this example, we're told that the circumference is 37 centimeters. How are we going to work out the radius? Well, we're told that C is equal to 2 pi r. So then 37 is equal to 2 times 3.14 times r. And so all we need to do is make r the subject. We can do that by dividing it by 2 pi. And so therefore r is equal to 37 over 2 pi. And if we plug that into our calculators, we get an answer of 5.9 centimeters. What about something like this, where we're told to work out the area? The formula for the area is just going to be equal to pi times radius squared, which is equal to 3.14 times 7.1 squared. And if we put that into our calculators, we get an answer of 158.4 centimeters squared. Okay? What about something like this? This one we're told to find the area of a circle, but for this one we're told that the diameter is equal to 4. So all we're going to do first is we need to work out the radius, because the diameter is just 2 times the radius. So the radius is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is 2 centimeters. Yeah? Just all we're going to do is half it. Now, the area is equal to pi times 2 squared, which is simply going to be equal to 12.6 centimeters squared. And again, we can do this in reverse. So if the area is 98 centimeters squared, what's the radius going to be? The radius is just going to be, well, area is equal to pi r squared. So we're just going to divide by pi. And so therefore, radius squared is going to be area over pi. And so therefore, the radius is going to be the square root of area over pi. Let's do this in practice. So, the radius squared is going to be 98 divided by 3.14. And if we plug that into our calculators, we should get an answer of 31.2. And so therefore the radius is just going to be the square root of 31.2, which is equal to 5.6 centimeters. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video made sense. If you guys liked it, consider subscribing because it helps the channel out a lot and you never miss a video. If you guys have any further questions or comments, ask me in the comment section down below, or join my Discord server if it's like an exam question that you can't really explain. If you guys want to get tutored, drop me an email and we can organize a free meeting and a quote. Keep on learning, as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.